Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to find WordPress login details in cPanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open your cPanel and go to database section, and inside of this database section you will find phpMyAdmin. Click on it. And from here you have to open that actual database which one is connected with the website. So my one, this upper one, so I'm going to click on this database and then click on WPE users, and here we will be able to see our WordPress admin details. So here you can see user login, username, and this is my password, and this is my user email and user URL. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the video description below. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel How to Unmute It. Thank you so much for watching.